All right, we're here at my work using this space. We're gonna try to do some drifting today.
You sure about that?
We have tractors and heavy equipment to watch out for, but we're gonna try to set up a little drift track. I brought the new Mojave Grom and a couple of other things for you to take a look at today. So let's get on to it. All right, so first up is the Grom here. This is the brand new one, the 223S. It does have the new DSC.
That's the DSC.
Which is essentially a gyro. All right, so initially I ordered the black and silver one without the batteries, but my order kept getting pushed off and delayed. So I went up to the local hobby shop, Hub Hobby, thank you for this, and was able to pick up this one for Joshua for Christmas. Now I did pick up a few 3S batteries for him, but unfortunately we didn't have an adapter to use. So we're gonna have to wait on a 3S run until we get that adapter or get an adapter made. This is a pretty cool, fun little truck. Joshua has been enjoying it immensely since he got it. This is how we did a speed run with this and the MJX. This is the original truck that started my whole re-obsession with the hobby with Joshua. So it's been modified a little bit. I put a brushless system in here. This is 2 or 3S capable. It came out of an ITEF-D Tutney truck, and this one here is also an ITEF truck modified. It's really pretty good. These tires I got off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to these rims and tires because the ones that were on it were hard and it just would instantly spin a 360 out of control. So let's try this thing. It is on 2S right now. Let's give it a shot. See how good it is at drifting.
So this thing just likes the little red and white things. Look at that.
Shit, here we go again. Oh!